Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness of your phone screen on your iPhone, and this is easy to do. So what you want to do is scroll on down from the top right, go to specifically in this corner, and then you should get this control center. And you can just adjust the brightness by going up and down right here. Now another way that we can do this is by going to settings, and then let's back out to the main settings menu. And we should be able to see display and brightness right here. Select it. Then here is the brightness slider as well under the settings menu. So there's two different ways we can adjust the brightness, and we can scroll on down and we can look at the other options as well. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.